Hello and welcome to this session of SIMOCODE Pro tutorial. In this part I will show and explain the analog value recording and the trend function at SIMOCODE ES TIA portal. For both features, an TIA project is required. The analog value recording function can be used to record any analog values in SIMOCODE Pro V basic units. To include the settings of analog value recording at your general SIMOCODE Pro parameterization, you can configure the trace parameters at the parameters editor. For additional individual trace settings, you can add a new trace configured as analog value recording to the traces folder of your project. In this sample, I will record the voltage level L3, L1 in case of overload tripping. Up to 60 values can be saved internally in the device. The percentage value of pre-trigger can be used to specify how many signals will get recorded before the trigger signal is issued. The time frame of the recording is indirectly determined by the selected sampling rate. If you want, you can give a customized name to this stored trace configuration. With the transfer button, the configuration gets downloaded to the SIMOCODE device and the analog value recording is standby for the trigger event. SIMOCODE ES switches online automatically after the transfer. The analog value recording functionality is activated and is waiting for the configured trigger event. For the analog value recording function, there is no need to stay online with SIMOCODE ES. It's a nice feature to record one analog value in case of sporadic faults like overload trippings without need to install a PC on site. Next time you go online to the trend view, you will get the latest recording of the analog value. Please note there's only storage for one recording at the basic unit. Keep in mind that the online recording will get overwritten with the next trigger event. To store this analog value recording to your offline project, you can use this button, Add to Measurements. You can give your customized name for this recording. Now let's have a look at the trend view feature. The trend view always needs online connection of SIMOCODE ES for recording. With the trend view you can record several binary or analog signals of SIMOCODE Pro system. Select the signals you would like to monitor from the drop-down list. In my sample, I would like to monitor the on signal and also the analog values for phase current L1, L2 and L3 in percentage. Switch to online view by using the transfer button. The trend view is automatically started. The recording can be stopped or started via the buttons. With the Add to Measurements button, this recording can be stored at the project. With the export function, you can store your recorded data, for example as a CSV file, to use it in external tools. With the TIA portal trend view feature, you can also use cursors to have a deeper look on your recorded measuring values. This was a short introduction in the analog value recording and trend function of SIMOCODE ES TIA portal. If this video was interesting for you, please hit the like button and give a subscription to this channel. Many thanks for watching and see you next time.